Kimafun. Hello everyone, welcome to another video. My name is Mario and today we'll be talking about this budget-friendly wireless microphone. How is everyone doing today? It's good to see you here. Welcome back to another video. If this is your first time here, I create weekly content on filmmaking, photography, gear review, and editing tutorials. And if that's something you think you'll be into, please hit that like and that subscribe button to keep yourself in the loop of what I'll be up to. And if you're already subscribed, thanks again so much for watching. So I've owned the Rode Wireless Go wireless microphone for about a year now. If you don't know what that is, it's this little guy right here. It's a very small wireless microphone. At its time, it was revolutionary just because of its form factor and how small it was. This is the transmitter, and the receiver is mounted right there on top of my camera right now. So right now I'm using this as my audio source. Today I'll be reviewing a similar wireless microphone, the Kimafun Wireless Microphone. To be exact, this is the G-102-3. There is an older version, I think is the 102-2 or something like that, but this is the G-102-3. I'll leave the link in the description if you would like to check it out. Before we start, I do want to say that this is not a sponsored video, but Kimafun did send me this microphone to test out for free and to give it my thoughts. So let's see what's in the box. This microphone actually comes with a lot of accessories in its tiny box, and I was actually quite surprised with the amount of things that it includes. And it pretty much comes with everything that you need to get you started. This microphone is about $50, which is very budget friendly if you're talking about wireless microphones. Compared to the Rode Wireless Go, this one that I have right here, this is almost 4 times its price, at about $200. I have to say that I've been really happy with my Rode Wireless Go. Having a wireless microphone is really good if you do not want to deal with all these cables and stuff messing around. So let's talk about who would this microphone be for. This microphone would be for anyone who currently does not have a microphone or a wireless microphone for that matter. Just by having an external microphone, it's going to greatly step up your audio game. If you're currently using the included built-in microphone on your camera or a shotgun mic, you may find that at times when you're further away from your camera that the audio is not good. And that's because for a shotgun mic, for example, you need to be very close to it. But sometimes you do want to be far away, you want to show the scenery, or you want to get a wide shot and still talking to the camera. A wireless microphone with a lavalier mic like the one I have here would be a really good option. This would be also really useful for anyone who currently is at home and you are running workshops on Zoom. Maybe you're doing exercise routines, workout routines, or you need to be further away from your computer because you maybe want to show more than just this part of your body. As you step further away, you're also further away from your microphone. So your audio is just not going to be good at that point. So this microphone also comes with a headset. So if you're doing workout routines or exercise routines, stretching routines, and you need to lead that and you need to be away from your microphone, this would be a good way to get you still a very clear audio without spending a lot of money. If you do not have a microphone right now, I'll suggest just to get any microphone first to get started. But if you want to get into the world of wireless microphones, this would be a very good option to get started with. And keep in mind that really good wireless microphones like a Sennheiser will cost you about $600–700. So this at $50 is not a bad choice to get started. Right off the box, this microphone feels a little bit plasticky. Well, for the price, you can't expect too much out of it. And compared to the Rode Wireless Go, even though this Rode Wireless Go is also made of plastic, it feels a lot more sturdy than this one. But overall, it's a very small form factor as well for a wireless microphone. The lavalier microphone that it comes with, it seems pretty well built. I'm not sure if the cable, this microphone is shielded or not. You'll have to look into the exact specifications, but it seems very nicely built. It also comes with a little screw, so you can screw it in, just sort of like the Sennheiser wireless units. It gives you a little bit more of extra protection in case you were to pull the cable and it happened to come off your transmitter. This set fully charges in about 3 to 4 hours and battery life of 6 to 8 hours. I haven't fully tested that, but this is what Kimafun claims. One really cool thing about it is that it comes with a double USB charging cable, so you can charge these two units at the same time. So it comes with a splitter for micro USB in here where you can charge these two at the same time. As soon as you turn these two on, the transmitter and the receiver, there'll be a flashing light. I'm not sure if you can see that there, but as soon as the two lights, the two blue lights, they turn solid blue, it means that the system is paired. If it's flashing, it means that it's trying to connect to each other. And when the light turns red, it means that battery is about to run out. Unfortunately, there's no way to tell the battery level on these things. There's no screen or anything that tells you when battery is about to run out. So if battery just runs out and you're in the middle of a shoot, then you're out of luck. The transmitter has controls for volume, so you can set the gain up or down. You can't tell what volume you're at or how many levels or steps there are. You'll probably have to listen to these so you can adjust the right gain that you're getting from this microphone. The receiver unit comes with a belt clip here that you can attach here, so you can attach to your talent or yourself, and you can clip it on your pants or your belt or something like that. The transmitter though, it plugs in directly into the camera. It's just sort of like I don't know, like an injection or some sort, like I don't know. And it does not go on the cold shoe mount on top of the camera, and there's nothing else for you to mount it. So it would have been great if they also included a cold shoe adapter here, so you can just nicely fit it on top of your camera. All right, so let's get into some audio tests and let's take a listen. So right now, all of this is being recorded with the Rode Wireless Go, and I'm going to switch this to the Kimafun microphone. Test check, 1 2 1 2, check. Mic check, 1 2 3. I'm not sure why people can when they're checking a mic, but so this is the Kimafun microphone with its own lavalier microphone right here, and this is what it sounds like. Let me not move it too much so you don't hear too much of the rustling. And this is with no post-processing on audio applied to this. Right now I'm in an environment that's fairly quiet, so this is what it sounds like. And this is what the microphone sounds like after some denoiser and multiband compressor applied in Premiere Pro. So this is what it sounds like with that denoiser and multiband compressor applied in Premiere Pro. So right now you're hearing the sound from this microphone, and you can judge by yourself what it sounds like. I mean, at $50, I think it gives you pretty good audio quality to get started with any of your wireless needs that you may have. Earlier you saw these accessories that were included in this microphone, other than being able to plug this in into an actual mixer with the included 1/4 inch adapter. You can also use this on your laptop for Zoom meetings. They also sent me this adapter that goes into your computer via the USB part here, and it has the microphone and the headphone jack. And this is where the Kimafun microphone would go. Unfortunately, this is not included in the package for some reason, on Amazon Canada at least. So right now, let's go onto the computer, and I'm gonna open Zoom and test what the audio quality out of this is. This is what the microphone sounds like directly from Zoom. So I recorded myself here on the screen on Zoom, and I put the audio here so that you can see it here. So this audio is actually from the Kimafun wireless microphone. And as you can see, I plugged it in with the USB adapter right here, and I plug in the receiver right here into the microphone jack. You can also plug in your headphone jack right here if you want to listen in as well. And this is what the microphone sounds like. If you're using Zoom or any online conferencing software for that matter, you will need to make sure that you go in and select the microphone that you want to use. For this one specific, once you plug in the USB, this is called the microphone USB PNP sound device. This is what you can expect the microphone to sound like on a Zoom call. All right, so now that we've heard what this microphone sounds like indoors, let's go and test the actual range and see what this sounds like outdoors. All right, so about 10 meters away from the receiver on this Kimafun wireless microphone, we are about 25-30 from the receiver. this is what the microphone sounds like. This is a range test, and let's keep going a little bit further, shall we? Right now, this is a test at about 60 meters away from the receiver. This is what the audio quality sounds like. What I like about this microphone, first of all, its price. Second of all, I like that it comes with all the accessories that you need to get started. It's also very easy to set up, which I like, so you don't have to fiddle around with different frequencies to get your transmitter and receiver to match up and get connected. Unlike the Rode Wireless Go, this microphone comes with two microphones, the lavalier microphone as well as the headset. The Wireless Go does not come with it, and it's almost 4 times its price. I had to purchase an external lavalier microphone like the one I have right here for the Rode Wireless Go. In terms of things that I don't like as much, the microphone feels a little bit plasticky, so I'll take good care of it if I were transporting it somewhere. It feels like it could easily break if you dropped it or if you pushed it against something in your bag. This microphone also is not suitable for any speakers that are less than 15 watts in power, so it won't work with any of your small Bluetooth speakers. The other thing that I don't like is that there's no way to check your battery level, so you do not know when it's going to run out. The final verdict is that this microphone is a very good option to get started, especially if you do not have a wireless microphone currently and do not want to spend too much on one. So let me know in the comments below what kind of microphone you're currently using. Once again, it would be greatly appreciated if you like and subscribe if you like this sort of content. And if you're already subscribed, thanks again for being here. So that is all for today, guys. Until next time.